Hi boys and girls. Today we're going to build a snowman using the paint program. We're going to start by using our circle tool, and we're going to bring our cursor out onto the page, decide where your snowman is going to be, maybe in the center of the page here, and you're going to start by drawing a circle for the bottom of your snowman. Make it as big as you want. I'm going to stop right about there. Remember, you can change the size of that. Just don't let go of your mouse button until you have it set where you want it. So that looks good. I'm going to leave that right there. The hardest part of this is getting your second circle in the right place on top of your first one. It all has to do with where you put your bullseye and where you start that bullseye. Now you don't want to start right in the center like this, because you'll end up with a lopsided snowman. So you have to start off to the side a little bit, because that's going to be like the outer edge of your circle. So I'm going to try that and see if that works. Drop it down, and that is just about right. So when I have it like that, I'm just going to let go. Now let me show you. I'm going to put the head on now. If I start right in the middle like this, see what happens. I make my head, and my head ends up being off to the side. It may take you a couple tries to get it lined up, but just remember, if you don't get it where you want it, edit and undo, and you can try it again. So again, off to the side a little bit, start off to the side, put that bullseye, that marker there, high enough up, drag it across, and then come down. So there is the outline for my snowman. After that, it's just a matter of adding your details. I might want to take a paintbrush and draw some ground, like so. Made a little mistake there. I could clean that up with an eraser if I wanted to. Clean that up with my eraser. And then the magnifying glass is a great tool to add your different details, your face, your buttons, your nose. So if I magnify the face here, I get a good look at what of the snowman's face. I can take my pencil maybe, or the line tool perhaps. Line tool might be good to draw a carrot nose. Just drawing a line with a triangle shape. Maybe I want to use the circles tool or even the paintbrush just to give them some eyes. Put a little black dot, coal eyes. I could use those dots to do the mouth too if I wanted to. Probably remember, there's a little extra spot there I didn't want. I'm going to go to edit and undo. It takes away that spot. Now it's the way I want it. Perhaps the paintbrush in a different color, maybe a red hat would look good on it. I can use my paintbrush to draw a hat, maybe like a Santa hat. I'm just holding my mouse down, dragging along, and making my hat. It looks okay, I guess. I can fill up the hat with paint. Okay, that's looking pretty good so far. I have those black lines. I'm just going to write over those with the red paint and then get rid of those. And probably it'd be a good idea to fill that nose with the color orange. If we have the color orange on here, it looks kind of an orange color. And then remember to get out of the magnified view. I can just click on magnified, click back on the picture. I'm out of the magnified view. Now, other details you might want to add, maybe some arms. Again, paintbrush or pencil to draw arms. Maybe make them look like tree branches. There's my arms. And I can put some buttons on them just by using my paintbrush, putting some dots there. I could draw a scarf if I wanted to add a scarf. And then you should put some things around your snowman just to give him, so he's not standing there all by himself. Maybe a tree. Here's a tree trunk. Use the square tool to draw a tree trunk. fill it in. And I'm just going to take a paintbrush and make this into like a evergreen or a Christmas tree. I'm going to draw a line across, draw a line up, draw a line down, come back over, fill that with some green color. Maybe we want to fill the sky with blue, make it look like he's standing outdoors. I can leave the bottom part white since it's snowing and there's snow on the ground. Then any other details that you want. Maybe it's a sunny day. I want to add the sun. Use the circle to draw a sun. I can fill that with color again. And then who knows? Maybe I just want to. Maybe it's snowing. It's a sunny day and it's snowing. I can take my eraser and just keep tapping it, and those are the snowflakes coming down. So any details that you want to add, I'm sure are going to look great. You need to go to the paint program now and see if you can make your snowman. Don't forget, when you're done though, or as you are working, we need to save our picture. We're going to click on File. I'm going to click on Save, and when the Save menu comes up here, don't forget to pull up your number. When you're at school, you always have to save things under your number. And we are going to name this picture Snow. That way we'll be able to find it later. So I'm clicking on the drop-down menu here, waiting for that drop-down menu to come down. Find my number. Down where it says File Name, I'm going to call it Snow, S-N-O-W, and hit Save. And then my picture will be saved. And there we go, right up there in the corner in the blue taskbar it says Snow, so I know I saved my picture. So go ahead and go to Paint and build a snowman. We'll see you around. Bye.